This is the third session and I will cover question number 7 to 9, and these questions are belongs to these topics: software engineering and Python development. Question number 7: a software company has limited hardware and budget. Explain how technical feasibility analysis can prevent project failure. It checks whether available hardware, software, and networks can support the system requirement effectively. It identifies technical limitations, risks, and missing resources before development starts. It helps select realistic tools and prevents project failure by avoiding wastage of time, money, and resources. Link your answer with limited hardware and budget. This is the tip. Alternate parties explain the role of the analysis phase in reducing failure of a software project. The analysis phase studies the problem, users, and system requirements before design and coding need to be started. कोडिंग स्टार्ट होने से पहले इन चीजों को वो एनालाइज करता है, प्रॉब्लम को, यूजर को एंड सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट्स को. इट आइडेंटिफाइज रिस्क, कंस्ट्रेंट्स, इनकम्प्लीट रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड पॉसिबल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एट एन अर्ली स्टेज. ये इन चीजों को एड्रेस करता है. It reduces failure by ensuring the development team builds a system that meets actual user needs, not assumption. क्योंकि हमने क्या करना होता है, हमने यूजर की एक्चुअल नीड को कंप्लीट करना होता है, तो हम उसमें कोई भी ऐसा गैप नहीं छोड़ना चाहते जो कि उसकी यूजर की नीड्स को कंप्लीट ना करे. एग्जाम टिप: एनालिसिस reduce failure by clarifying requirements before coding. Eighth part is why is requirement engineering important in large software projects? Give 3 points. It identifies and documents the real needs of user to developers know exactly what to do. इससे पता चलता है डेवलपर्स को कि यूजर को एक्चुअल में क्या चाहिए, यूजर क्या चाहता है, यूजर किस तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर चाहता है. It reduces misunderstanding between client and developer by making requirement clear and agreed. आपको पता है जब रिक्वायरमेंट सारी बताई जाती है तो फिर उनके दरमियान एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया जाता है जिसमें नंबर ऑफ ऑल रिक्वायरमेंट्स लिखी जाती है, और ये नंबर ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट्स का ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फिर दोबारा शो किया जाता है जब आप प्रोजेक्ट को यूजर के एंड पे इंस्टॉल करते हैं. तो उस वक्त यूजर को दिखाते हैं कि आपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में ये वाले कोर फंक्शन हमसे कहे थे और हमने ये सारे के सारे आपको प्रोवाइड कर दिए हैं. It provides a clear base for design, coding, testing, and maintenance, which improves software quality. Exam tip: poor requirements often cause wrong system development. Alternate part is differentiate between verification and validation using the phrase are we building the product right and are we building the right product. Verification asks, are we building the product right? It checks whether the product follows specifications, design, and standards. Validation asks, are we building the right product? It checks whether the system meets user needs. Exam tip is verification means specification. Validation means user needs. Ninth part is a banking app needs regular updates after development, after deployment. Explain three reasons why software maintenance is required. To fix bugs and errors found after release so the application works correctly. To improve security, performance, and reliability, especially when new threats or weaknesses appear. To add new features according to user needs, banking rules, and technology changes. Exam tip is banking app must mention security updates. Alternative part is why is modular programming useful when developing a large Python program? Give three reasons. It divides a larger program into small modules, functions, where each module performs a specific task. It improves readability, testing, and debugging because errors can be found in a smaller part of the program. It supports code reuse and makes teamwork easier because different programmers can work on separate modules. Exam tip is write, divide, debug, and reuse type of keywords.